Did you know a single sneeze can blast thousands of tiny droplets out of your nose faster than a speeding car on a clear day? Those droplets carry germs, but most are trapped by your immune system or land on nearby surfaces. To stay safe, cover your nose with your elbow or use a tissue and wash your hands after. Sneeze reflex starts when the nose senses irritants and your brain sends a quick message to release air. Share this cool fact with friends and try a safe science demo using tissues and a gentle breeze.